Can't tell if this is plastic up or not.
That's plastic up, Alan.
Because I know this isn't. It's just right here, I think.
So I'm doing test pipes. But I had to spray the hell out of them because they're all rusted. So I had to spray them down, waiting on it to sit for a little bit. And then I just got to get the bolts off, put the new ones on. Comes with new gaskets, new bolts, new everything. So now I just got to wait. Alan put his new grill in. He unplastied this. I feel like it looks better. There's the lip during the day, so you're gonna see it.
And a fucking wing. Show me.
Oh yeah, I got y'all. Look at that. It's a bad bitch. He's just washing it off right now. I'm still trying to do fucking test pipes. Breaker bar, nothing. So Omar's coming. He's got some tools. Got the extension so I can get the top ones. I sprayed the PV blaster. I'm almost out of it though, so that's not good. And those things still will not budge at all. But like I said, I got new bolts and everything, so.
On one side.
What the fuck? How long y'all been here?
All day.
Y'all got me fucked
I
up.
came here like at 3.
Jesus. Hey, don't worry, that beaner power here now.
Hey Omar. Hey bro.
Bro, 3 hours later, we got one bolt off.
I'm finna go to part 2, bolt 2.
You have to power blast it twice and then you have to end up using a torch.
What's the
I
next
gotta
one?
refill the torch so I can do this bottom one.
Oh my
Bro,
god.
that shit, bro. I can just tighten, I can untighten it. Where's
I have
that?
to get down here.
Where's that?
No, I didn't unplug it. You told me not to.
Nigga, I told you to unplug it because you gotta take it out of the car.
Yeah.
Nah, don't. Because you have to spin like all this shit out. Hey, bro, where are your pliers? Oh, never mind. Oh, man.
God damn, that shit bigger than those.
Oh yeah, that one.
I have a special tool for you.
Yeah.
Aquí está, mira.
Okay.
Este
You
maldito.
just gotta
None of those are gonna fit.
Really?
just have to unplug it.
Don't break that, dude.
Bro, you know Steven's car? This was like all these were exposed, and then like there was no connection.
What the fuck? He didn't have a check engine light either.
He had hella check engine lights.
Hmm?
Oh hell! Where's that?
I don't fucking know.
Oh hell!
Oh my.
What is that?
It's a new Supra flooding.
What the fuck? Them bitches ugly anyways.
Get you one.
That shit was hot in hell, but that shit better fuck them on.
Took 4 hours to do this.
3 hours later, we could finally put them on.
Fuck! And I gotta charge my phone, bro. It's gonna die. Shit! It's gonna be a little while.
Alright, first start with the test pipes.
Let's see.
Oh shit! I got fucking 85.
You have to wait.
God damn it, Omar!
There's a spider right there, bro.
Is everything's plugged up?
Yep.
There's a spider right there.
Start it. It's not that loud. It is louder than before, though.
I'm gonna rev it in a second.
Cats are out.
It's gonna smell like shit back there.
Corn.
It smells like straight up corn, boy.
85. What?
85.
Okay, I gotta put the back of my fucking exhaust back on. Oh shit.
Turn it off.
Yeah, I gotta put the back of my exhaust on. Fuck all that.
Hey, bro, I think smoking.
Don't even worry about it.
Spray all the PB blast we sprayed in there.
When I got here earlier, and he's like, bro, my engine's
Hell yeah,
smoking,
smoking like hell.
This looks like race. There was 2 on the back. I only have 1.
Oh my god. You only got one more?
Yeah.
I don't have another one.
I only have this one.
I don't have another one. That was all of them out of my thing. Bruh. Bruh. Actually, no, I got some in the house. Oh my god, you can't see anything, bro.
Bro, we're on the hunt for that fucking bolt. No, that nut we need. We're gonna go find it somewhere.
It's probably down the street, bro.
In the middle of nowhere.
Just gotta keep walking.
For lifting your car in the hood.
We just gotta keep walking, and we'll find it.
Just keep swimming.
Huh?
Just keep swimming.
Oh shit, not
Broken it.
there, bro. Omar, what the fuck?
Don't fall on my foot. Don't fall on my shoe.
Omar, I'll race you to the house. Beep, beep. God damn, them DEs got torque, bro.
I'm a fall, bro. I got no oil.
Bruh. Okay, we're almost here.
You see how he gets tired on downhill?
Hell yeah.
For the other.
That's what I said. Wait for the uphill, bro.